You buy food online. That's a contract. You book in Ola. That's a contract. You download an app and click on I agree. That's also a contract. But here's the real question. What makes a contract legally valid? Stay with me for next 5 minutes and I promise CLAT won't be able to trick you on this topic. Let's start with the basics. Section 2H of the Indian Contract Act 1872 defines a contract as an agreement enforceable by law. So remember this simple formula. Every contract is an agreement, but not every agreement is a contract. A promise to watch a movie with your friend, that's an agreement. But can you sue them if they don't show up? No, because it's not enforceable by law. And that is the difference. Now let's talk about the 6 essentials of a valid contract under Section 10 of the Indian Contract Act. These are your CLAT gold mine. Please memorize them. First, offer and acceptance. One party makes an offer and the other accepts it. For example, A says, I'll sell you my bike for 20,000 rupees. B says, deal. That's your offer and acceptance. Second, consideration. This means something in return. A gives bike and B gives money. No consideration, no contract. That's the rule. Third, capacity. Only adults of sound mind can enter into a contract, which means anyone who's a minor or is mentally incapacitated or has been legally disqualified by the statute can never enter into a contract. Fourth, free consent. Your yes must be a real yes. If someone forces you, threatens you, cheats on you, or misrepresents the facts, the consent is not free. And no free consent, then the contract becomes voidable. Fifth, lawful object. The purpose of the contract must be legal. You cannot have a contract to smuggle goods or bribe someone. If the object is illegal, the contract is void. Sixth, the agreement must not be one that the law has already declared void. For example, wagering agreements, agreements in restraint of trade. These are void by law, no matter what the parties agree to. Okay, CLAT question time. This is the kind of question that has appeared in law entrance exams. Are you ready? A, who is 15 years old, agrees to sell his phone to B for 5,000 rupees. Is this a valid contract? Think about it. 3, 2, 1. The answer is no. This is not a valid contract. Why? Because A is a minor, only 15 years old. Under Section 11 of Indian Contract Act, a minor does not have the capacity to enter into a contract. And a contract with a minor is not just voidable, it is void ab initio, meaning void from the very beginning. It never existed in the eyes of law. This is a favorite CLAT trick. Don't fall for it. So that's day one, done and dusted. You now know the definition of a contract, the 6 essentials, and you can crack a CLAT question on it. Not bad for a 5 minutes, right? Tomorrow on day 2, we go deeper into offer and acceptance, the building blocks of every contract. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. If this helped you, follow Loci CLAT Academy right now for the full contract law series. Drop your doubts in the comments, and mind you, I read every single one. This is Loci signing off. See you tomorrow.